Hello and welcome back, children. So today we are going to play a quiz on the chapter charts in Microsoft PowerPoint. Already we have finished this chapter, so today let's play a quiz. PowerPoint offers dash alignment options. How many options does PowerPoint offers? It will be 8. In MS PowerPoint, you can insert a table from the dash tab. From which tab you can insert a table? Already you know that. You have done also. So it will be insert tab. The dash tab is displayed by default when a table is inserted in any slide. Which tab is displayed by default? It is Design tab. The words column, line, bar, area, etc. are examples of what? Tables, charts, columns and rows. These are the examples of charts. To dash means to change the appearance of a chart in a presentation. Open, format, save, delete. Changing the appearance of a chart in a presentation means formatting. So it will be format. In a column chart, the x-axis represents the dash. X-axis represents what? It represents values, numbers, category or range of values. It represents category. Now, the intersection of rows and columns is called a dash. It is very easy. You can answer easily. It is row, fonts, column or cell. Intersection of rows and column is called a cell. The Layout tab allows you to dash, add or remove rows and columns, merge or split cells, adjust cell size and align, or all of this. So, Layout tab allows all of this. Your school calendar is an example of dash. Your school calendar is an example of table, chart, paragraph or row. It will be table. A dash in PowerPoint represents information in the form of rows and columns. What in PowerPoint, what represent information in the forms of rows and columns? Table. Now, the last question. A dash is a horizontal block of cells extending from left to right in a table. You know the answer, that a horizontal block of cells extending from left to right in a table is known as what? Row. So here our quiz session ends. So I hope you have enjoyed this session. I will be back again with another quiz session from a previous chapter. Okay, till then stay safe. Thank you and have a nice day.